Hello, ich bin Nicole aus Nicole, Kenya. So today I'm going to take you through an announcement that was just made. Germany has announced the visas fully sponsored for unskilled workers that you are supposed to start applying for August 1st. So this visa, they are, how can I put it? There are countries that are eligible and some are not. For now, for this visa, you need to apply immediately because it's going to be open from 1st August and nobody knows when it will end. Even before you apply, there are preparations that you should put in place even as you wait to apply. So make sure your papers are ready. Make sure you've changed your CV to German language. So who are the people who are eligible to this visa? So this visa did not leave anybody out, but any unskilled worker. If you are coming as in agriculture sector, we also have construction, we have logistics and warehouse, we have cleaning services. For those who are coming to work in houses, if in the hospitality, manufacturing and food processing. So they have announced that they'll be taking unskilled workers. I'm going to give you the salary, just the range that we've been given. I'm just going to check during the announcements. I was writing few notes, so let me just go through the notes. So for this one, you need to apply. For cleaners, you'll be paid around 3,000 to 4,000 euros. If you are coming as a driver, is 3,000 euros. If you are coming for like a house worker, you'll be paid 2,000 to 4,500. Where would you get that? I'm telling you, this is fully sponsored visa that if I were you, please apply for these jobs. They have said unskilled workers, but if maybe I'm skilled, but you see, since it's being sponsored, I might decide to go through that visa because they are paying well, and then when I reach there, I work for, because this partnership is for around 4 years, so I can work even for 1 year. After I've made money, they can go to a vocational training. So if you are looking to study in Germany and you didn't have an opportunity, this is the best time. I don't know how I can explain this better. I've seen the salaries and I'm like, wow, this is going to be the best experience. So sectors that I've just left are the drivers who are being paid 3,000 euros, and then if you're coming in construction, in the hotel, somebody asked me about the bakery. I've seen one there. They're paying around 3,000. So it is your time. What are you waiting for? Shh, don't tell anybody. I'm saying it's being opened in August. We have few days to go. Please make sure, if you don't know how to translate your CV, let me know. In my previous video, I did an attachment of links on where to attach your CV. So if you didn't see that video, you want to go and check on it. So if you are coming as an unskilled worker in Germany, this is your time. Don't say I didn't share. I've gotten it, I have shared. I'm going to give you all the links where you need to apply. There are companies that have announced that are employing, and the salaries are so good. Like, who don't want that? If you are coming in as a house help, please note the salary is around 25,000 to 4,000 euros, depending on your negotiation skills. But the lowest salary is 2,500. I'm so happy, you know. I'm just so happy. So for my friends who are watching, who have been here, returning viewers to the channel, thank you so much. You can also see that I'm not disappointing you. I'm trying to make sure that I get those corners where we can get something good for all of us, because we don't have money to pay all these things. And if they are giving it free, why not? What are you going to get? What are the benefits? They are going to pay for your accommodation, fully sponsored. They are going to pay for your air ticket. You will get a letter from the employer. That letter is what you will take to your German embassy, and the visa will be processed. Some are processing, some are sending you a letter. So let's go to the websites where to apply. It's called DEMA. Please go and check DEMA and apply. and apply to that website. There's also Indeed Germany. All these jobs have been posted in this. Then we have Euros, then we have Adem, we have jobs.lou, and then they have said they have sent all these to this website. So I'm going to tell you people, you can go to Euros portal. I've seen so many jobs. Just check the announcements, check the date of posting. If it is written fully sponsored jobs in Germany and the announcing is as late as yesterday, please apply for that job. Apply for that job immediately. Please check if it is indicated it's for 4 years and is fully sponsored. There's been a partnership between Berlin and Germany, and they are doing a full sponsorship for these jobs. So also go to Indeed Germany. We also have Make It in Germany, seasonal work in Germany, Jobl Germany, and then we have Euros Germany and Indeed Germany. Please go and apply. I've said check if this job is for 4 years, then it is the job I'm talking about. Make sure to translate your CV. Let me go very fast to the requirements. You need your papers. For instance, if you are coming as a caregiver or coming to take care of children, I expect you to, within your country, you have gone maybe to a voluntary work for 6 months. They have written you kind of letter showing that you are eligible, you qualify to do that work. You can't just come as a hospitality and you don't have food handling certificate, so make sure you have those in place. Make sure your passport is ready. Visa will be given. Make sure you have a letter from employer. Let me go very fast to tips of the visa. I want to go very fast to the tips, how you can get these jobs very fast. Tip number 1, make sure when you are putting this job, you are applying for this job, make sure that you indicate that is fully sponsored visa, right? Let me go to the websites where you can apply. I'm going to put all that as I've explained in my description below. For this specific link, I'm going to put it on my description. I'm going to put there and put for you the companies where you need to apply. The benefits you are going to get, I've said the accommodation, the flight, they are going to pay for it and everything. But food will be on you because you are being paid. I am also saying that it is a requirement to have a A1 German language. If you don't have an A1 German language certificate, please go to Allison and do your exams, hoping that you've been learning Germany on the portal. Within those jobs, the English speaking jobs. Please apply for English speaking jobs if you are not well conversant with German language. And again, thank you for watching. Ich bin Nicole. Please subscribe and just like this video so that many people can see it. There are so many people who are reaching me in my inbox and they're looking for a job where they're not going to pay. They're saying we don't have finances. Somebody had asked me to help them apply. Let me tell you, I am not an agency. I'm not an agent within any agency. What I do is to check the job opportunities that are available that are not paid. Then I send to you. I'm not able to apply it for you because you need to apply with your own documentation. It is not me. I'm also applying for myself. When I finish school, I'll be applying for myself. If now I'm done with my vocational training and I need a job, then I will apply. I'm not an agency that helps you apply. I'll give you the agencies, but I'm usually issue with those agencies because scammers, many people have been scammed and I don't want to be part of it. So me, what I know is I engage you, I connect you to the direct employer where you are going to submit your CV. What I will do on my description is to put for you the links of genuine employers, and then you apply. You follow the steps, you change your CV, you attach your letters, you make sure your passport is ready. Take a photo of the passport where your picture is attached. Make sure you send everything. Then after that, we go to the interview process. Interview process I did in 3 phases. You'll do the Zoom one. The second one, they'll also do a Zoom, but now it'll be more intense, asking questions. why you are interested, and then the third one now will be finalizing and taking your details for visa processing. What I'm saying, when they have said that after 1 year they're going to give you a permanent residence. Who doesn't want that? So make sure you apply for this job. Who knows, if you're aspiring to go back to school, then that is fine. Just go for this job, and then when you are there, you're also able to learn the language. You'll be able to see, because when you're in Germany, you're able to see so many opportunities because you are on the ground. If you are coming from work, you'll get this employer is advertising, they need somebody, and it is of a better pay, and of course is now maybe you've gone to school, so any opportunity that comes and you're still in your country, I'm begging you, please take the opportunity. Don't say it is unskilled work. You can go and take care of the old. I've seen the old elderly. You can go take care of the old as you plan to go to your house bedroom. Visas that are available are workers visa, unskilled workers visa, and Ausbildung. Ausbildung, when you are going to study, as you take care of the young ones and the elderly. So thank you very much. That is what I had for today. Check the description. Please don't come to the comment and ask me for the links. I'm going to put all the links in the description. Please apply. Let me know if you already are learning German language. Let me know whether you are done with A1 and how are you faring. How is the language generally? It took me almost a year to learn German language, and even up to now I know everything, but now speaking that fluent very fast is a challenge, I can assure you, because it is time by time. But you see, now when you're in school, you learn every day. Yeah, so my goal is to be very fluent German speaker, and I'll be teaching the lesson, the knowledge that I have, I'll be sharing with you. But I encourage you to go through Duolingo or Allison so we can be in the same page, right? So thank you very much. Please make sure you subscribe to this channel. I'm wishing you all the best. After you applied, please let me know. Please let me know if maybe you get a feedback and you're preparing for interview. Very soon I'll do a video on how to prepare for an interview, but that was not for the case today. If you get a letter, let me know. Somebody had reached me, they had gone through the interview and they are waiting for the ticket. That is good. So we really thank God that at least somebody is being helped through this video. Make sure you apply. Please don't reach me out to apply for you. The only thing I can do for you is to help you change your CV to German language. I will not charge. I'll give you a link where you can just copy paste your CV and put there, and it will change to German language. So have a good day. And in Germany we say choose.